Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to the community of televisions around the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I greet you all. Happy New Week unto you all. I want to encourage every members of the community to come on board this afternoon. There are a lot of meetings that has been highlighted for us to attend, starting with the broadcaster meeting by 2 p.m. West African time. It has always been a wonderful training. If you are a broadcast, come on board and let's share minds. Come and learn from our leaders. More ways to have a good broadcast. And more so if you are here to start broadcasting. Wow, come on board. TBC is giving us voice. TBC is strengthening our confidence. So come and learn. Come and get trained on how to have an effective broadcasting. And guess what? Our magnanimous alumni has been gracious unto us by what? Giving us a keyword during the meeting, and you will earn a reward. And also for each broadcast, you'll be having 10 TBC. So after the broadcasters meeting by 2 p.m., we'll be having our weekly meeting by 3 p.m. West African time again. Come on board. We have various languages meeting at the same time. Join anyone and there's a reward for it. Don't miss these meetings. Furthermore, by 4 p.m. West African time, we'll be having our wonderful and unique mass adoption training. This is a training that has never been the same. Every day for over a year that we have started has always been new. And guess what? We learn a lot from our able admin. We learn from various knowledge from various resources of every leader in the house. So come on board. There's a lot to discuss. There's a lot to learn. So I encourage you and join you. Go and prepare your time now. By 2 p.m., broadcasters meeting. By 3 p.m., weekly meeting. And by 4 p.m., West African time, we'll be having the mass adoption training. This is a meeting that brings about all divisions around the world. So guys, come on board. Look forward to see you. God bless you. Thank you. Don't forget, and if you are a new person watching this broadcast, in TBC, we are claiming our birthright. So come on board and claim your birthright. I love you all. Thank you. Press the bell, subscribe for subsequent broadcasts. Thank you. See you. TBC is my birthright.